everybody, Frank Finance here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So last week after Facebook's earnings, I went ahead and put out a $25,000 position on Facebook at around $249. So since then, the stock price has dropped another roughly 10%, and they're down about 30% for where they were trading prior to their earnings. Now, since then, am I worried about my position? Yes, it is down. I'm down a little less than $2,000 at this point. However, I have done some trading to offset those losses, so I'm probably closer to around like $1,000 of loss. Now, at this point, I'm not really worried. It's not really a concern. As I projected in my last video, I'll put a link in the description if you want to see the original video. But essentially, I expected it to go down to around a 30% like we saw with Netflix. And it did go down to roughly 32% down from its the day of earnings. So it's done what I've expected. And as of today, it started to rebound a little bit, about 5%. So over the next few days, I do expect it to start to trickle back up. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. Also hit that like button. Now back to your content. We may see it drop back down, but I do believe here in the next week, we should start to see Facebook starting to trend back up towards what I think around 275, possibly 300 a share. So moving forward, that's what we're going to be wanting to pay attention to. I may trade it in the short term like I've done already to kind of offset some losses that I saw coming. So next time I may wait a little bit longer to initiate a position. That's one lessons learned from this so far. However, I think overall the position, I still feel confident that we can get up to 275 and make a good roughly 10% on this position. Now, if the price continues to trend lower towards the $200 range, I will consider a position or doubling up at that time. In the meantime, if we see everything remain exactly the same, I'm hoping to see it again trend up in the next week or two, and I'm hoping to end this position in about a month. That's at least my goal here. And if anything changes between now and then, I'll definitely give an update here on this channel. So if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button, it helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Finance, out.